Hello, all my beauties there. Welcome back to my channel. Pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark spots. I have made so many videos on how to treat them and recommended many products to you. In same series, I have come up with one more product. I will give you my honest opinion that you should buy this product or not, or whether this product will suit your skin type or not. Anua Pigmentation Control Serum. This is very viral product, Korean skincare product, which is viral everywhere and everyone is talking about it. Concentrating on its main ingredients, which are 10% niacinamide and 4% transmic acid. Now, this is a little bit interesting because generally when we see pigmentation control serum in Indian skincare brands, we always get 2% transmic acid. 4% is something unusual, and this concentration of actives is bit higher. So will it suit your skin type? Whether you should spend your hard-earned money on this Korean skincare product, because it is a very expensive product, retails around more than 2000 rupees price range. But if you pick up in some sale, that's different story. But otherwise, it is available for more than 2000 rupees price range. Now, actives are on higher side. 10% niacinamide is fine, will not irritate your skin much, but 4% transmic acid is bit higher, will not suit all skin type. So if you have sensitive skin, then this is absolutely no from my side. You should not waste your money on this product. It can give you a breakout. But if you don't have sensitive skin and you want to get rid of your pigmentation and dark spot faster, and you want even skin tone, then you can definitely try this. Winters are here, so it will well suit for winters because its texture is a bit thicker. I will show you. It is a pink colored serum. It is big thicker in comparison to other serum which we see which are mostly available in Indian skincare brands. It is bit sticky and heavy. You can feel little bit sticky after applying it. It will go after few minutes. But if you have dry skin and you have pigmentation, then this is just for you. You just need to grab it. If budget is not your issue, then just grab this product. Use it for at least for 3 months. At least you need to do justice with the product. It will give you amazing results. But if you have oily and sensitive skin, as I said earlier, then just skip this one. I have been using this product for almost 4 months now. I will show you. This is my new bottle which I have purchased, and here are 2 empty bottles. Now I have restocked myself with the new one because it has worked amazingly for my skin, because I have dry to combination of skin, and this really suits well with my skin. It not only faded dark spots and pigmentation from my skin, but also improved overall texture of my skin. So if you see so many videos, so many influencers are talking about this serum, don't just fall for everything. Everything is not made for everyone. We need to pick and choose products according to our skin concern, and especially according to our skin type. I always suggest in my videos, if you have sensitive skin, then you need to be extra cautious before picking up any product for your skin, because instead of making it better, your skin can get worse. So again, I am repeating, if you have oily skin, skip this one. If you have dry and sensitive skin, then also you can skip this one, because high concentration of actives can give you a breakout. So who should buy this product? People with pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark spots and dry skin. This product is just made for you. So just grab it. If you are not worried about spending 2000 rupees on a skincare product. It is an expensive product. So if you think it will give you faster results, it will give you faster results, and it definitely worth every penny. So this was my honest review on Anua Pigmentation Control Serum. After watching this video, I am sure your all doubts must have been clear, and at the end of the video, you know whether you should buy this product serum for yourself or not. So if you like skincare related content, don't forget to subscribe my channel.